Hello everyone and welcome back to Billy Profits, your favorite make money online channel that provides endless ways to earn money online or at the comfort of your own homes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn up to $4,500 monthly by becoming a social media influencer. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Twitter are not only places to connect with friends and family, but are also powerful platforms for earning a full-time income. Many businesses and brands are willing to pay influencers for promoting their products or services. Whether you're just starting out or already have a few followers, you can grow your online presence and turn your social media influence into a lucrative income stream. This is Billy Profits, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash the like button and feel free to leave a comment that says I am from and mention your country so we'll be able to upload future make money online opportunities that are available to your location. The first step in becoming a social media influencer is to choose the platform that fits your interests and strengths. Instagram, for example, is great for sharing visually appealing content such as lifestyle, fashion, or travel-related posts. If you prefer creating short, engaging videos, TikTok could be a better fit. YouTube is ideal for long-form video content, such as tutorials, reviews, or vlogs. Twitter works well for influencers who enjoy engaging in conversations and sharing real-time updates. The key is to pick a platform where you can consistently create content that resonates with your audience. Once you've chosen your platform, the next step is to build a dedicated following by creating quality content and engaging with your audience regularly. Now let's dive into the platforms where you can earn money by becoming a social media influencer. First up is Instagram. Instagram is one of the top platforms for influencer marketing. Once you've built a solid following, typically at least 10,000 followers, you can start working with brands to promote their products. The pay for Instagram influencers varies greatly depending on the size of your following, engagement rates, and niche, but you can expect to earn anywhere from $50 to $2,000 per post. Influencers with a larger following or a highly engaged audience can earn even more. To start earning on Instagram, create a profile that clearly showcases your niche, post high-quality content consistently, and engage with your audience. Once your account starts to grow, you can use influencer marketing platforms like Affluence to connect with brands, get sponsored posts, and negotiate fees. On average, influencers on Affluence can make around $2,000 to $5,000 per month, depending on their audience size and engagement. Next, let's talk about TikTok, which has exploded in popularity in recent years. TikTok is an excellent platform for influencers to showcase their personality and creativity through short, engaging videos. The key to success on TikTok is consistency, creativity, and hopping on viral trends. Once you start growing your followers, brands may reach out to you for sponsored collaborations. TikTok's creator marketplace connects influencers with brands, offering another opportunity to monetize your content. If you have 50,000 followers or more, you could expect to earn $100 to $500 per sponsored post, and with a larger, more engaged audience, this can increase significantly. TikTok influencers with more than 500,000 followers can even make up to $10,000 per post or collaboration. If you're looking to expand your reach, you can also use TikTok's live stream feature to receive gifts from fans, which can translate into real money. The average TikTok influencer can earn between $2,000 and $5,000 monthly by posting regularly, engaging with followers, and partnering with brands for promotions. YouTube is another incredible platform where you can make money by becoming an influencer. YouTube offers several revenue streams, including ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and product sales. To start earning on YouTube, you need to create a YouTube channel, post regular videos, and grow your subscriber base. YouTube's partner program allows you to make money through ads once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. On average, YouTube influencers earn between $2 to $5 per 1,000 views, but with consistent and high-quality content, you can scale this number significantly. Additionally, YouTube is a great platform for securing sponsorships. As your subscriber count grows, brands may approach you to promote their products or services in your videos, and for those with large, engaged audiences, sponsorship deals can range anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per video. On average, YouTube influencers can expect to make anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 per month, depending on the content they create and their audience's size. Twitter may be underrated compared to Instagram and YouTube, but it's still a valuable platform for building a following and monetizing your influence. Twitter is especially useful for influencers in industries like politics, sports, entertainment, and technology. By consistently sharing engaging tweets and interacting with your followers, you can build a loyal fan base. Brands are willing to pay influencers to promote their products through tweets, and influencers with a significant following can make money through sponsored tweets. On average, you can expect to earn $100 to $1,000 per sponsored tweet depending on your follower count and engagement levels. Once you have built a substantial following, you can also partner with brands for long-term collaborations. As a Twitter influencer, you can make anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 per month through sponsored posts and promotions. Another platform worth considering is Facebook, where businesses are increasingly turning to influencers to help market their products. Although Facebook is more commonly known for its traditional advertising, it also allows influencers to monetize their content directly. Facebook's partner program offers revenue sharing for creators through ad breaks in videos. If you have a Facebook page with a sizable audience, you can start earning by posting videos, going live, and receiving ad revenue. Facebook also allows creators to set up paid subscriptions for exclusive content or charge for access to special events. Facebook influencers can expect to make anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 per month, depending on their engagement, the size of their following, and how actively they monetize their content. One of the best ways to increase your earnings as a social media influencer is by diversifying your income streams. Aside from sponsored posts and brand deals, consider affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. Platforms like Sharia Sale, Rakuten, and CJ Affiliate provide plenty of affiliate programs to choose from. By integrating affiliate links into your social media posts, stories, and videos, you can add another income stream to your social media efforts. Influencers who incorporate affiliate marketing into their content can increase their earnings significantly, with some influencers making $1,000 to $5,000 per month just from affiliate commissions. You can create and sell your own products or services. If you have a loyal following, consider launching merchandise, ebooks, or even online courses. Platforms like Teespring, Etsy, and Shopify make it easy for influencers to create and sell their own products online. By offering unique items that appeal to your audience, you can create a steady income stream. Many influencers are earning anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per month selling their own products. The key is to identify what your audience wants and provide them with value that extends beyond sponsored posts. To really maximize your social media income, it's important to remain consistent, stay true to your personal brand, and keep engaging with your followers. The more authentic and active you are, the more likely you are to grow your audience and attract higher-paying brand deals. By combining your organic content creation with paid promotions, affiliate marketing, and your own products, you can easily reach $4,500 per month or more. Becoming a social media influencer is a realistic and achievable way to earn up to $4,500 or more per month. By focusing on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, and leveraging brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, and product sales, you can create multiple streams of income. The most important factors are consistency, authenticity, and engagement with your audience. As you grow your online presence and establish a reputation, the opportunities for monetizing your social media influence will only increase. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.